morning, Thursday, we're gonna drive the Bandit on some ramps. Denver for most of the day, maybe a Inglewood, Highlands Ranch to end the day. Yeah, maybe some snow today. That's wonderful. But we'll see. Who cares? Let's get some stuff done. I'm gonna go start the day with K2 Tree Service over in Denver on some crab apples. We'll see you in a bit. Hey, let's do something stupid. I don't know if it's even gonna fit. I don't think it's even gonna fit. But if it does... Can you see that sign? I'm gonna zoom in. I don't know if I can. It says be respectful, and it's a guy walking his dog. No poop and pee. What if it was just one? Because that specifically says no poop and pee. What about, shouldn't it be no poop or pee? Or no poop and or pee? So can I poop? As long as I don't pee. I'm tired. One more job. The wind, I had a weatherproof like junction or gang box thing, not gang box, like a weatherproof cover, big plastic thick. The wind blew it off. That seemed a little crazy. I saw it out in the yard. I was like, oh, where does that go? That's it for today. I'm tired. I keep saying it. I need a little time off. Going north tomorrow. I got like Niwot, Boulder. No, Boulder canceled. I've got Niwot, Broomfield, Brighton, Thornton, somewhere up there. So going up there tomorrow. Saturday I'm doing a skid steer job. Go help out O'Brien Tree Care. They have a lot of wood that they need to move, so I'm going to take the big skid and go and move a bunch of wood around. So kind of brainless, but that's all right. Be good to put some time in that machine. That's not digging up those silly rocks and silt. You guys good? How you feeling? You hanging in there? I feel like it's mid-season or late season burnout already, and it's early. It's just a lot came in all at once, so I gotta lighten up my scheduling a little bit and take a little time off. But then everybody gets mad, so I don't know. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. I really appreciate every one of you that watch these videos. I hope that you gain something, even if it's just laughing at my stupid ideas. I appreciate you. So thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.